Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. In this morning, I want to talk about remediation of the contaminated soil in gold mining. First, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Serviko Chivo Sopiar. You can call me Fico. I'm a college student in environmental engineering in University of Islam Indonesia. I'm glad to be here to present some presentation. I would like to talk about remediation. Maybe the term is not familiar to audience. Let's discuss together about the topic this time. What does mean with the title? Phytoremedition of lead, PB, and arsenic contaminate soil in the arsenical gold mining. That means this phytoremediation is one of binding mechanical heavy metal in the soil by plant metal binding its scoria through observation. And what is gold mine? Gold mine are places where gold is found. Indonesia is one of the 10 large gold producing country with the 100.9 ton per year. And what is arsenic and PB? Arsenic is a product from nefarious metal are processing mainly gold, which is highly toxic with the environmental degradation. And PB is resistant to corrosion. PB is also used in the manufacture of the pens, battery, and gasoline mixer. And next, I will show you one of the location environmental degradation. This is a place at Central Java, more precisely is Wonogiri district. The reason for choosing this area is based on the several things, such as there are several pollution, such as ferrosulfate and arsenic perchlorate and PB. And second, based on the number illegal mines in Wonogiri, as many 908 illegal people mines. And the last reason is phytoremediation is done because a practical and inexpensive method, and it is operation does not require special personnel. And this is a tree image to documentation of illegal gold mining in Wonogiri. Do you know the impact on the two heavy metals to environment? This is a negative impact of PB and arsenic to environment. For human, actually, can causes cancer, liver, hypertension, and irritation. However, the Indonesian government has regulations regarding the limit of concentration release into the environment. According to government regulation number 22 of 2021, that's reasonable limit on arsenic and PB, which value 0.0905 milligram per liter. And what is PB and arsenic? Especially PB and arsenic is a PB metal or formed deposit. Some deposit are contact with the several major mineral such as galena, anglesite, orphanate. And there are what is arsenic? Arsenic is there are more than 25 mineral that contain arsenic such as arsenic privat, arponium, and perovskite. And heavy metal have two types of heavy metals, essential and not essential. Essential is needed a small amount, either too much is causes toxic, like zinc and cobalt. And what is not essential? That essential metal would benefit are not yet known, but very toxic, like arsenic and mercury. Let's now look at the various methods and controlling heavy metals. This is a various method of controlling heavy metals like sludge deposition methods, membrane filtration methods, and phytoremediation methods. And what is a sludge deposition methods? Sludge deposition method is a method simple and cheapest its cost, but require a place to accommodate sludge with the large heavy metals. This method is suitable if the sample is in the form of the liquids. And the membrane filtration method is a few chemical and produce solid waste, but the cost of this method is very high. This method is suitable if sample in from liquids, and phytoremediation is this method part of absorption methods. This method is an option because it is a practice. It is a practice and inexpensive. It does not require professional working. Phytoremediation uses two plants like Amaryllis spinus and Jarak pagar. Let's move to process metal sampling. Process metal sampling with the six process. First, take sample from the mine soil with the depth of 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 50 centimeter respectively. Second, heavy metal content was tested with the ICP-ICE instrument. And the third, planting Gyropoda and Amaryllis spinus L in the greenhouse filled with the soil sample with each soil dip. And the fourth, harvesting a Gyropoda and Amaryllis spinus L after 3 months of planting. And the fifth, sampling and the roots and leaf measured by ICP-ICE. And the last, not least, compare the absorption capacity of the two plants on certain metals. This is an image to drawing process. The first take sample until tested plant by ICP-ICE. Next, I will present the result of the research. Result and discussion of the experimental PB in Gyropoda carcass. Summary the experimental result PB contaminated soil with the Gyropoda and Amaryllis spinus and the roots and the Gyropoda shoots 477% and the roots 726%, while the Amaryllis spinus shoots 306% and the roots Amaryllis spinus 498%. However, contaminant as arsenic in Gyropoda shoots with the value 100,026% and the roots 480% and Amaryllis spinus shoots 726% and the roots 102%. The average concentration obtained from 3 soil layers at the deep 5 centimeters, which value 356 ppm, and the deep 10 cm, with the value 212 ppm, and the deep 50 centimeters, with the value 19.8 ppm. And the conclusion of the topic are more PB and arsenic were found in the roots compared to the shoots, and Gyropoda crocus is more effective in absorbing metal than Amaryllis spinus L. And the last, Gyropoda crocus plant is easy to grow and easy to grow in the mining area, and the cost is cheap. This is my reference, and This is really in my presentation. If there are many shortcomings, please forgive me. Thank you for your attention. Good morning and have a nice day.